Rob Frazier here. This video, I want to talk about promoting the multiple income funnel with paid traffic and some of the things I do to get better conversions at paid traffic, and also if you're doing content marketing. So if you're doing YouTube, writing blogs, different things like that, and you're sending that traffic to a capture page type deal, this is how I would recommend medium or beginner and intermediate affiliate marketers to promote the multiple income funnel. And this is also what I do. So with multiple income funnel, you have 4 opportunities: easy one up, the multiple income funnel itself, text bot, and traffic authority. So keep that in mind as well. And you also have 3 lead capture pages that come built within the system, and you have 2 sales pages. The whole point was to have a done for you type system that all you do is you send traffic to. Now, in affiliate marketing, you want to always focus on building your own email list first. You build your own email list first, and then you can email anything you want to that list, to include replicated links. So a lot of folks come in and then they'll send paid traffic to these ready-made pages. That is one way of building it, yes. However, but if you want to take charge of your own marketing to a degree, you're still leveraging the done-for-you system. But what I would suggest doing is what I am currently doing. I use a service like My Capture Page. I also use Power Lead System, Lead Lightning. So if you've seen those videos out there, this isn't to confuse anyone. The reason I like My Capture Page is because a lot of the capture pages, so for example, multiple income funnel, you have 3. After a while, a lot of people promoting these same pages, as effective as they are, they're going to start getting stale out there in the marketplace. Not really getting stale, but a lot of people in affiliate marketing are all on the same email list, and they all kind of see the same offers over and over and over again. New people join the whole affiliate marketing crowd, but there's a point to where if everyone's promoting the same exact pages, it kind of starts, the effectiveness just simply goes down. If we're all out there saying, hey, then one person is over there saying, you see what I'm saying? It's just, I'm not trying to talk down on the system. I'm just saying after a while, everyone's promoting the same pages, they lose their effectiveness. And in marketing, it's not really about changing things, it's just about changing the presentation of things. So with My Capture Page, you have numerous capture pages ready-made to use. And even more so than the Power Lead System, My Capture Pages has pages that are already built right now, ready to go. And there's enough of these pages that none of them are going to get stale. It doesn't matter if 10 million people are all promoting these opportunities. There's enough pages here to keep your marketing different and fresh. Also, I mentioned the 4 income streams within the multiple income funnel. Here, you have ready-made capture pages for 2 of them. You have Easy One Up, and you also have Text Bot. So you have those capture pages and also these generic capture pages as well. And even one of the additional bonus income streams with the multiple income funnel, you have another capture page to use right here, ready to go with Epic Trading. So these guru pages, these premium guru pages, and these generic BizOp pages, and there's a couple of work from home type pages, things like that. Those are the pages that I use, and I'm going to just show you what I do. So this page right here, generic BizOp 3, the little beach looking type one. All you do, you click edit page. This is what the capture page looks like. So again, after a while, everyone's promoting these same 3 pages. Every now and again, you kind of want to just jazz it up and use a different page, even if you are promoting the same thing. So this is what the page looks like. You come down here, click settings. Now, the absolute best autoresponder I would recommend for new and intermediate affiliate marketers is GetResponse. Aweber tends to shut you down, especially if you send out your default easy one-up or multiple income funnel link through the email. They will stop that email and freeze your account, and they won't even let you know until you have to figure it out. I also use Traffic Wave to a lesser degree, but that's always a forced double opt-in, and I don't like putting people through that many steps all the time. There's a time and a place, so I'll make people go through the double opt-in. But when I'm using content marketing and paid traffic, to which I'm sending people to a page like this, 9 times out of 10, I like to have just a single opt-in. That means when people put in their name and email, they'll get redirected right to where I want them to go. No extra checking your emails and all this type of things. So here, very simple. Third-party autoresponder, I use GetResponse. My capture page does have default autoresponder automatically ready to go. However, the same issue with the multiple income funnel. You want to eventually tell your story as an affiliate marketer. People join people. Doesn't matter how slick the autoresponder is. Doesn't matter if the best copywriter in the world crafted these emails. People join people at the end of the day. And people want to know that they're joining a real person. So that's why I recommend my capture page, multiple income funnel, and GetResponse. Now, that is more so for beginner marketers. If you're an intermediate marketer, you may want to do something that's called a bridge page. So what I do with this capture page is sometimes, and I'll get to what a bridge page is here in a second. Just trying to cram so much information in these short 15-minute videos. Sometimes I'll promote these lead capture pages here, and sometimes I'll promote the sales pages. And different emails, you know, one day a week I'll send out the lead capture pages, the replicated pages, but this is already to people on my GetResponse email list. So what happens is people come here, they put in their name and email, they get dumped onto my GetResponse email list, namely this list right here, affiliate marketing and mastermind money something, I forget what the heck I named it, but this list right here is where people get dumped on, and then I email that list. What do I email that list? My replicated multiple income funnel links. But this is after they are on my email list. So my capture page, they opt in, they're on my GetResponse email list. So now I can email them whatever I want. And the very first thing I actually send people to is, now this is getting into the intermediate part. Before, I would take my replicated links here, any one of these links, probably more so the sales pages. This link right here, I'll copy and I'll paste right back here. I'll click save and I'll be done. But what I do, because I like to build a personal relationship with my leads, is I redirect people first to a bridge page. This right here is an example, which is just a short little YouTube video I made. I say, hi, I'm Rob Frazier. This is some of the stuff I've been through. I found this system, blah, blah, blah. If you want more information, click the link below. When they come down here, they click Get Started Now. That takes people to my replicated multiple income funnel link. And I'm stretching out my words here because I'm letting my country bumpkin Wi-Fi load. But you see how that process works. These pages work super fast. It's just my Wi-Fi, we moved out to, I was about to drop the name of my city. I guess I could, but we moved out to the very outskirts of San Diego, and we don't have the fastest Wi-Fi. You can still make 6 figures a year, though, I'll just say. But I'll send people to my replicated link. And that's how I do that. So people come here, they opt in, they'll go to my bridge page, which introduces me first, and then I hand people off to the replicated system. But they're already on my email list first. So I very rarely send people, like if I buy solo ad or if I do a YouTube video, I very rarely send people to these pages first. I always send them to my capture page and get response. So they go here, they opt in, they get on my get response list, and then I start my whole email marketing process. So, and the bridge page that I made, that was actually made through the Power Lead system. I know I dropped that name a little bit earlier. This was made through the Power Lead system. This is what I'd recommend for intermediate marketers, for people wanting to personalize their marketing. That's what these tools are for. You have something that separates yourself from everyone sending people to replicated links. Because if you send people to this link, okay, but who am I joining? Am I joining the guy in the video? Am I joining, you see what I'm saying? But they go here first, they get introduced to me, and then I send them to the replicated link, and then when they get my emails, they know who this Rob Frazier guy is. One last thing I'm going to recommend, everything, all of this is going to be in the information below the video. One last thing I'd recommend is actually picking up this book right here, Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. This book will teach you how to craft your emails in a way to build that relationship with your leads. Because it's not about what you're promoting, it's about your relationship you can get with the people who are opting into your websites. And it will teach you how to basically do everything I laid out in this video just to the next level. This is a very basic video, trying to keep it somewhere below 15 minutes. I know like only 1% of people are actually going to watch it these 12 minutes. But that's what I do. And I buy solo ads, I buy clicks from Traffic for Me, Udemy solo ads, MLM leads, and I put in this page right here. And that's all I do. And as I get paid, as I earn commissions, I take 25 to 40% of all of my commissions and I put it back into paid marketing. And that just keeps the whole machine cranking. So, you know, if you follow me, you know I got a 3-year-old kid. I don't have a lot of time. And the wife took the kiddo to do an errand, so that's the only time I can actually do these videos and get on Facebook and things like that. But outside of that, that's what I do. And then 25 to 40% of all my profits goes back into paid marketing, and that just keeps this system cranking. Hopefully you got some value out of that. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next one.